hey guys, welcome to my channel Animator Ankush and myself Ankush Chauhan. And I like to ride bikes and cars and almost everything that has wheels on it.
Oh my god! Wow!
So this is my first vlog. So my daily route is like that. I start from Dilshad Garden, that is in East Delhi I think, and I go Noida sector 62. That is where my office is located.
मैं कल इधर लिख लूं कहीं यूपीएससी के एग्जाम में ना आ जाए.
Comment your suggestion. How should I speak? How should I, better myself, improve myself? I know my English is not that good, but I'm trying, man. I'm trying my best. Eventually I'll learn.
Stop it. Get some help.
Here, as you can see, there's a hola. Okay guys, so I reached my office.
Oh God, please, no! 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 No!
It's just a basement zone of my basement parking of my office. ओके गाइस, सो आज की मजदूरी हो चुकी है पूरी. टाइम टू गो बैक टू होम. शाम हो चुकी है, ठंड हो चुकी है. And who the fuck is revving their bike hard? Look at this BMW, man. Cool, man. My bike just can't compete with his.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
That's why I want to upgrade, man. That's why I want to upgrade, and I will upgrade soon, I think. It's just a matter of time. Is it worth to install a, loud exhaust in a single cylinder bike? Because I think, dude, what the fuck? Because I think single cylinder bike don't sound nice. These are like fat. Hard bench.
Chop!
Ah man, look at these road conditions. These patli girls, where are they going?
Yeah, boy.
Can you see that right lane? This one where the Pulsar is. This road don't allow the bikes. I don't know why the bikes are not allowed on this highway? Someone please let me know in the comment section. Look at the traffic on the other side of the lane. Damn, this is too much. Look, it's just going on and on and on. We have reached to the toll naka. This toll naka is for commercial vehicles only, for like yellow number plates. Doing high speeds. Fuck high speeds. These are not high speed. But for my bike, it's just. These are high speeds, man. Look at this car, man. This car is like shit. They just took it from the dump yard, man. It's like a. I don't think it's running, man. These guys are pulling it from another shit car. This is very unsafe.
Khatam.
How these girls are crossing the road. East Delhi, and it's like shit living in here, because the car you see is like this, Alto without side view mirrors. And no one fucking follow the traffic rules. Look at these people. I'm gonna also do the same because of the, you know, irony. Oh wow. जब ये लोग नहीं मान रहे तो बहन चोद हम कौन सा भगवान है।
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है।
Ah fuck. He looks like a YouTuber to me because he's carrying a sticker on his tank. Ah, finally. Look at this V2, I think. Ooh, watch for the brakes.
मरना है क्या भोसड़ी के? मरना तेरे को डर नहीं लगता?
कब पता नहीं कब ये ब्रिज बनेगा। मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी देखने वाले हैं, मेरे रिलेटिव्स भी देखने वाले हैं इस वीडियो को, बट आई डोंट फकिंग केयर। They're gonna laugh at me, they're gonna joke about me, they're gonna joke about my vlogs and all, but I don't fucking care.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा।
Eventually I'll learn. And people learn from their mistakes. आ गए भाई, वीडियो में आ गए। मजे ले रहा है। I like these kind of people, man. But you know, everything is new to me. These experiences are very new to me. Hi. We are seeing a green light, but look at the traffic, man. No one's gonna fucking care about the traffic lights here. Just look at this Mercedes CLA 200D. I learned from this D and I and V and all these things that if the car is having a D in their model name, that means it's a diesel car. And if it's having like V or I or whatever, then it's a petrol car. You can get some ganja from here.
That's all it is.
दिख ही नहीं रहा माल लौड़े को. I'm gonna park my bike here, and it was a quite nice ride for me. I hope for you guys as well, and I hope you like this video. I'm gonna improve myself a lot over time, and until then, goodbye. Please do subscribe the channel and share the video and like the video as well. whether you really liked it or not. Just like the video, man. Thanks for watching. Kailas khair, shabba khair. Bye bye.
Wonder if everybody is sick. Back in my stuff. Gun the sauce. Everything.